Hey everyone, I'm John. I'm here now, so I just got my first bee box. I've never had any experience with bees before, but it's something I've thought about doing for a little bit. So I just got my bee box in today, and I'm gonna put it together so we can start on this journey. Okay, you can kind of see my face a little bit. Alright, so the battery is low, so I couldn't quite finish the whole time-lapse assembly. So I'm at least going to show you how I put together like the little, I'm new, so whatever the hell these are called. That's been the most tedious part of this. So you take the top part, stick on these little sides. Alright. You slip on this waxing. This smells so good. Like, oh, I love it. I'm so excited about this. You stick on the bottom. Make sure the wax grid, bee grid, I'm gonna call it the bee grid. Make sure it slips into the line that it has for you there. It's a little bit loose, and then you secure it with a nail. And I know because I've started recording this, I'm gonna break it or break my thumb or do something stupid, even though I've done this now like 16 times. Alright, so I got all these done, and I've got them all in their respective boxes that I put together in the first time lapse. Now I'm gonna try and put the whole box together, and I'll get some pictures of that, because like I said, this battery is about to die. And then I'm gonna go set it out next to an area where there's already bees that my parents want rid of. It's by their house, so I'm gonna go see if I can figure out how to attract a regular hive from their established hive to this one. And if not, I'm just gonna buy some new ones. Alright. I believe I have all the parts assembled correctly. So now it's just putting the whole box together. And I believe this is how it's supposed to go. According to the instruction, it goes big box on top of the bottom. Wait. Yeah, like this, like so. Back there. And that's like the front porch to the box. And you put the queen excluder. I'll learn why later. Then you put medium box on top of that. And you put the skylight. It's got a hole in it, so it's a skylight. And then you cover it all with this thing at the top. I guess it's kind of a, okay, that makes sense. It's like a, nope, never mind. I guess it just releases heat. But anyways, that's it fully assembled. So, that's cool. Let's get some bees.